I'm Laurent Boykin. I'm here with Dream Select Realty, the #1 real estate brokerage in Long Island. I'm here today to show you this beautiful place that we have listed, 135 Village Circle West in Manorville, New York. So we're starting here in the kitchen. Everything's newly renovated, as you see. Nice countertop space, brand new appliances, microwave, stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. So as we get started, let's continue to walk through the space. As we walk through, we enter our living room area. Nice open living room, plenty of wall space to pick from as far as what you want to do with your TV, set up your couches, etc., etc. We also have a brand new ductless split system here installed that does both heating and cooling, and it allows you to just choose zone to zone whether you want to heat or cool this particular space. Let's continue to walk through. As we continue to walk through, the first door on the left of me is our secondary bedroom. This bedroom could be used as a guest bedroom. As you can see, it's plenty of space. It also could be used as an office space, and there's a nice blank canvas so that whatever color you decide to choose, if it's anything other than white, you already have that option. Make things easy. It also has its own separate thermostat that'll allow you to control your heating in this space, one by one, room by room. Let's continue to walk through. This next door on the left is our bathroom. Nice newly renovated bathroom. Right here we have a washer and dryer, and this door right here we have a brand new hot water heater. As we continue to make our way through, we pass our linen closet and we enter the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom, plenty of space, as you can see, blank canvas, and we also have the central heating and air conditioning here. It's multi-zone with the central heating and air, so you could be heating and cooling this room alone if that's what you want to do, and you use it as needed. Nice size bedroom. It could fit king size bed, and again, blank canvas with its own thermostat for the heating of the baseboard so that you can control the heating as needed. As we continue to make our way through, we enter the back of the property, or the back porch area. As you guys can see, it's nicely renovated here as well. Nice pavers, blank canvas, plenty of space to set up a barbecue, plenty of space to entertain company and guests. If you have kids, grandkids that's coming over to visit, nice picket fence if you already own a pet or animal, if you want to just let them outside, and the property line goes back to those fences in the distance. And here in Long Island is October, so we're in the fall season, and we're able to sit out here and enjoy the leaves change colors with this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. So as we continue to go back into the property, we enter the garage. So we have a single car garage here. We already have an extra or additional refrigerator in the garage that will come with the property. We also have more drawers here for storage in case you want to work on your car, or even if you just want to store some things in the house. We already have that set up and equipped for you. We'll head outside of the house, and as you guys can see, brand new siding. And what you can't see is that there's a brand new roof as well. So once again, I'm Laurent Boykin with Dream Select Realty, the #1 real estate brokerage in Long Island, and we're here at 135 Village Circle West in Manorville, New York. So if you're interested in this property, feel free to reach out to me at 347-842-5001, and make sure you follow our page on all social media platforms, Dream Select Realty.